Today we're making these 5-minute mini birthday cakes. These are quick and easy, amazing, and you don't need any cupcake pan to make these. Pop these in your lunchbox, have these as a snack. These are amazing and nostalgic. These party cakes were iconic when I was a kid. You'll need some butter, which we're going to melt in the microwave. Add the milk, vanilla extract, the egg. We're essentially just combining the wet ingredients together. You want to give these a rough mix just to break down that egg and add the sugar. The ingredient amounts will be in the description box and on my website. And if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. Add the flour, baking powder, and salt, and you want to mix this batter well. We're looking for a smooth batter. As soon as you don't see any more pockets of flour, you can stop mixing. You want to take a spatula, scrape the sides and bottom of your bowl. How easy and simple is this recipe? Now you can have party cakes without sprinkles. It just wouldn't be a party. These are my go-to sprinkles. I have not found a better brand than these. These are bright, colorful, cute, and chubby. What's not to like? Now I found the easiest way to fill the liners is to just use a piping bag. The cupcake liners are so tiny, at least the ones I'm using. The ones I'm using are actually meant for truffles and chocolates, so it's just easier to portion out the batter this way. But of course you can use just, a small ice cream scoop. Now as I mentioned before, you don't have to spend money on a tiny cupcake pan. All you have to do is double or triple the cupcake liners depending how thin your cupcake liners are. This is a great trick we use in professional bakeries. You can make hundreds of muffins and cupcakes this way, whereas with a cupcake pan, you're kind of limited to making 12 or 24 cupcakes. You will not be wasting the liners because as soon as these are done baking, you can remove the outer liners and use those for another time. You want to fill the cupcake liners 3/4 of the way, add more sprinkles on top, and these babies are ready for the oven. You're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. This will really depend on how tiny your cupcake liners are, so don't be afraid to check them after 5 minutes, okay? So open that oven, do the toothpick test, and, adjust, okay? You're going to let these cool completely, remove the cupcake liners, and enjoy. How stinking cute are these? These would make great party favors. They make great snacks. These are addicting in a good way. They're incredibly soft and tender. If you love vanilla birthday cake, you have to make these.